Hey friends, welcome once again to my channel DIY Savvy Mommy. I'm Kshitij and I love making DIY art, home decor and lifestyle videos. In today's video, I'm sharing super cute and easy best out of waste spring DIYs. This video is part of challenge hosted by Heidi Sonboul. She is simply superb and you will fall in love with her creative content. I have linked her channel down in the description box and also the link to the playlist for all the other creators. I hope you will enjoy my best out of waste and relaxing and rejuvenating DIYs that I have created today. After watching this video, head on to the playlist to watch some other creators videos for some amazing spring inspiration, and also check out Heidi's video and give a thumbs up too. And if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and let's get started. For the first DIY, I created a 3D looking wine cork wreath, and this was very easy to make. I first of all cut cardboard in a circular shape and cut it out in the shape of a ring, and then I took some wine cork and then I started arranging the wine cork on top of the circular cardboard that I had cut into the shape of flowers like so. So once the 6 petal flower is complete, we start over again with another flower. The process is exactly the same. We just need to ensure that all the flowers are nicely arranged and they fit into the circular wreath, and none of the circular wreath is visible from the front or from the top. So after making 2 flowers, you can already see how it should come out and how I need to arrange all the wine corks on top of the circular cardboard that I have cut. I kept on gluing the wine cork with the help of hot glue to the circular base that I have created, and in case where I found that there was no space for the circular wreath to be stuck onto the wine cork, I just glued 2 wine corks together so that it holds nicely, and in this fashion I completed the entire wreath. Once the entire wreath was complete, I started coloring them. You can choose whatever color you prefer, but I really like the combination of yellow and white. And I think daisies already are in season, so I preferred doing yellow and white color combination. I chose acrylic colors in white and yellow to color the wine cork flowers, and I chose 2 coats because I wanted an absolute opaque finish, and after 2 coats it was completely dry. It was looking very beautiful. So here you can see how the wine cork wreath is already looking after 2 coats of white color, and then I started with doing the yellow color. I first wanted to do a dark yellow, but then finally landed up in a lemon yellow color, and this is how the wreath looks on the front door. Absolutely gorgeous, the 3D look, and very pretty. For the second DIY, I tried to make a windmill, and for that I took an empty Coke tin and some barbecue skewers and 2 styrofoam packs for the base of the windmill. I took 3 barbecue skewers and pushed them onto the styrofoam on 3 sides and fixed it onto them to form the stand of the windmill, and then I glued the 3 skewers on top together. Next, I started cutting the Coke can with the help of a sharp scissor. This process can be a little tough, and we need to be very careful with the sharp edges as they are really sharp. Once I cut the upper portion of the can, I started making small cuts onto the circumference of the can, like so. Once all the cuts were made, I started folding each part from the base of the can, and these form the fans of the windmill, and then I pushed them onto the base and started trimming the rough edges. I glued the three bamboo skewers on the top to form the head of the windmill, and then I glued the fan of the windmill just right here. And as the back portion of the can was not even, so I glued a small cardboard piece measuring the circumference of the can. Like here you can see I just cut a small cardboard and glued it at the back, and that helps to hold the stand and the fan of the windmill together. After the fan was glued, next I cut some small bamboo skewers to size and made the designs on the stand like so that it looks like this is the tower stand of the windmill. Once the windmill was complete, I started coloring in grey metallic color, and I cut a piece of small cardboard to make the center of the windmill, and I colored that too in grey metallic color. And finally, I decorated the base of the windmill with some bluish grayish hydrangea and some roses. And this is how my windmill decor looks. I'm in love with this best out of waste windmill that I created for spring. It is very pretty in person also, and I'm really loving it. The next DIY is not exactly a best out of waste, but it is something that helps us relax and rejuvenate, and more of a corner spa decor or a cozy corner decor. And for that, I took a wooden crate and painted it with white acrylic color, and then I took two IKEA candles and I put it inside the cart and decorated the sides with some red flowers, and the candles are in berry flavor, so they are very rejuvenating and relaxing. Finally, I glued a small ladybug made out of metal in front of the cart, and my lovely spa corner decor is ready. I wrote a small quote on top of the wooden crate, and that is, keep calm and don't bug the lady. Yes, you can light the candles and have a relaxing and rejuvenating time all by yourself. And after all the spring cleaning and decorating, we all need time all by ourselves to sit and relax. So, this is all for today's video. I hope you liked my cute and simple DIYs that were made out of waste products, definitely. And if you like today's video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you all very soon in the next video. Till then, bye and happy crafting.